Wow, really cleaned up the floor very nicely. Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Lubluelu robotic vacuum and mop. As you can see, it's got the super elegant, sleek, modern design. Charging station right here. And then here you've got these mop pads. They just simply click onto the bottom of the mop into those two holes right there. And then you've got an extra one of these brushes. This brush basically spins around and captures things. You've also got the brush right here. As you can see, these wheels are nice and big and they press in so it can go in multiple kinds of terrain. You've got this wheel here that allows this thing to rotate. You've got sensors here so that it doesn't fall off any edges. Here you've got this tank and it allows you to take all the debris that's been collected. And then it also has this opening here to fill this thing up with water for the mopping mechanism. And at the top, you also have this laser sensors right here. And then you've got this whole array of sensors right here so that this thing doesn't go and bump into different things. Here is an extra filter. And there's also a cleaning brush to also clean out that tank. And you got this quick installation guides. Super easy to set up. It just sets up to the app on your phone. I'll show you that in a second. And then I'll show you how this thing works. There is a look at the vacuum while it's charging. I got the charging station right there. You can see the metal connectors are pushed up against the metal pads on the vacuum. And then you've also got this light here that flashes and you can check the status of the charge in your app. Right now it is adding the robot vacuum to the Smart Life app. Super easy. I just had to turn on Bluetooth, turn on Wi-Fi, and it automatically found the robot vacuum. Taking a look here, it is mapping itself. So you can see it realizes there's an obstacle right there and then it moves the other direction. Right now we are taking a look at the robot mapping itself and then it knows where to go for the future to clean up your house. Now this is a look at it cleaning. As you can see, got that brush. It really gets into all the crevices. Look at that. Nothing left behind. Check out this kind of edge route it's taking right here. It sweeps the stuff out and then sucks it up. Perfectly clean around the edges. Let's go ahead and remove this back compartment. You just need to press that on both sides. Open it up. And you can easily just dump this out into your trash can. Overall, I highly recommend this vacuum if you're looking for an affordable way to clean up your house and not have to do any other work. You pretty much just set this up and you have to empty the dirt out every once in a while, but other than that, this thing will keep your house nice and fresh. Thanks for watching.